You walk into a room with 10 people and each person shake hands with every other person. So how many handshakes happen in total? Take 2 minutes and think about it. And then here is the solution. We use the combination formula to find the number of ways to choose 2 people from a group of n people. So what is the combination formula? Writing it here. Combination formula is equals to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Here n is the total number of people, which is 10 in our case. Substituting the value in the formula and doing the necessary calculations. This is the final answer. We have 10 minus 1 is 9 and 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. Now dividing it by 2, this is 45. So conclusion is our answer is 45.